So let's start the basic program lecture. I know you all are excited to create your first Java program. So let's get started, and I will share with you how to create your first Hello World program in Java. So just go to the top left corner, that is the files or file option is available there. So you just have to click there. You just have to click there, and then the windows will appear, right? So I can't display in my recorder, so I will just uh, give you the path, right? So in files you will go to new. In new you will be able to create a new Java project. So click on the Java project, and you can see that this screen will be appeared on your window. So this is the screen that is appeared. So just type the project name as demo or whatever you want, and click on the finish. So it will create a new project for your for your ID, right? So as soon as there you have created, its name is demo, right? So as you can see, demo is created, right? So in demo you have to just click on demo, right? Just click on that and demo, and you have to click on right click on source. So now in source you have to click new, and then you have to click class, and then you have to give the new class name, right? So you have to give the new class name to that. New class name will be my class, right? I will give my class. So I will just give class, right? So I have created one new Java project to it. So here it is, and now it is inside the package demo, right? So public class, here it is my class, and we will create the main method. So in this id, the control space is your very important two keys on your PCs, right? So just hit main and hit control and space, then your id will automatically generate main method for you. So you can see that it's easier for this. So you have to just here type sysout, the actual syntax, SYSOUT, and then hit control space. So it will automatically state your statement, right? So here you can in brackets you can print hello world, right? So yes, our first Java program is completely ready now, and we will just run this. So you can see the down here hello world is displayed. So it is our first Java program is successful, right? So for setting up Java, there are various available videos are available on YouTube, right? So you are learning Java, so I don't need uh, I don't want to waste your time for telling you how to install this and how to install that, right? We will directly start learning. So we will cover some basics in Java. Every application begins with a class name, and that class name must match with the file name. So if I change this class name, the file name should also have been changed, right? So the class spelling is wrong, and I will just change it to double S, and it will show me an error. Just hold your cursor here, and it will give the probable cause for why it has caused this. So rename this to class, or rename type to class. So I will just click here. The package name also, the class name also changes, right? So this is the main key. So the file should contain a hello world message, as we have displayed here. Don't worry if you don't understand the code above. We will discuss it in the later chapters very deeply, right? And then at the end of this, you will able to write any code. So you will be become familiar with that, right? So we'll just stop this lecture and continue towards another lectures, right?